Hi, Julia. Thanks for emailing me about your assignment in the Chapter 4 unit. So you submitted one of the two assignments. I am here on the screen. I have our Blackboard site displayed. I've already advanced to Chapter 4. If I scroll down, I can see that this is the submission that you've already provided. The other one I need you to do, I'm going to scroll back up. The other one I need you to do, what I need you to do is click here and then scroll down until you see the word submit and read the information below the submit link. Here's the document that I need you to download. So I'm going to click on it. I'm in Google Chrome. It'll download it. I'm going to click, there to open it. So open that document. I'll get it pulled up on the screen here. Insert your answers. What have I got here? I think 5 questions. And make your selections for each. You can let me know your thoughts about why you selected that answer, right? Because we've learned about all the variables that we want to consider for each selection. So you can provide me any input on your thoughts. Then save that document. And then upload it to this link here, the submit link right here under Unit 4 for this chapter. All right, email me if you have any questions.